In the fast-paced world of business, effective decision-making is paramount. Managers face choices from strategic planning to daily operations. We possess two systems of thinking, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these systems is crucial for better decision-making. By understanding these concepts, managers can make more informed choices. Professor Kahneman's work in behavioral economics challenges traditional models assuming rational decision-making. These models often fail to account for human behavior complexities. Our decisions are influenced by many factors, often outside our awareness. Kahneman introduces two systems of thinking. System 1 is fast, automatic, and effortless. System 2 is slow, conscious, and effortful. Both systems are crucial but prone to different errors. System 1 is our default mode of thinking. It operates automatically, quickly, and effortlessly. Imagine driving a bicycle on a familiar route. You don't consciously think about every turn or lane change. That's System 1 at work. It relies on heuristics, mental shortcuts for quick judgments. In management, it's essential for rapid decisions. Experienced managers rely on intuition for routine tasks, but it's prone to biases in complex situations.
As an experienced manager, I've relied on intuition. It's like second nature. But in complex scenarios, it's not always reliable.
System 2 is our slow, deliberate, and effortful mode of thinking. It requires conscious attention and mental effort. Think of solving a complex math problem or learning a new language. That's System 2 in action. In management, System 2 is crucial for strategic planning and decision-making. However, System 2 is also resource-intensive. We often rely too heavily on System 1. Cognitive biases, the hidden traps in our thinking.
Cognitive biases are systematic errors in thinking that simplify information processing. These biases can lead to flawed judgments and poor decision-making. While helpful sometimes, biases can cause costly mistakes in business.
Understanding biases is crucial for managers to improve decision-making. Recognizing biases helps mitigate their impact and make informed decisions. Common biases in the managerial world.
Numerous cognitive biases can affect managerial decisions. Confirmation bias is our tendency to seek out information that confirms our beliefs. This bias can lead to poor decisions.
Overconfidence bias is another common trap. We tend to overestimate our abilities and judgments. This can lead to risky decisions.
Availability bias is our tendency to overestimate the likelihood of vivid or recent events. This can lead to skewed judgments.
Finding the balance, System 1 and System 2 in harmony. Effective decision-making balances System 1 and System 2 thinking. Leverage System 1's speed and System 2's depth to avoid mistakes. This requires self-awareness and understanding cognitive biases. Recognize tendencies, pause, and reflect before key decisions. Conclusion: the journey to better decisions. Understanding human cognition in management is crucial. Recognizing cognitive biases helps managers make better decisions. Continuous self-reflection is key to better decision-making. Embrace a realistic view of cognition for success. I hope you found this video informative. Follow for more